The Supademo Academy is designed to help you create great Supademos, not just learn features, but actually understand how to build demos that work for different use cases. Not every demo should look the same. A marketing demo, a sales demo, an onboarding walkthrough, and a support demo all serve different goals. This program shows you how to think about those differences and how to use Supademo to create demos that feel intentional, effective, and easy to maintain. The Academy is organized into 5 courses. Each is focused on a different stage of creating and using Supademos. The first course covers demo creation. It focuses on recording best practices, such as recording with the Chrome extension versus the desktop app, and other recording methods that we have available, so that the right approach can be chosen from the start based on what needs to be shown. The second course focuses on editing and personalization. This is where demos move beyond one-off recordings. It covers updating demos step by step, tailoring them for different audiences, and keeping them accurate as your products change and evolve. The third course is all about sharing. It walks through how to distribute demos as links, embedded experiences, or grouped together using showcases or demo hubs, really depending on whether or not one demo is being shared or many. Course 4 focuses on analytics, helping teams understand how demos perform and how viewers actually engage with them. And Course 5 covers Workspace Foundations, from branding and organization to managing growing demo libraries as people get involved. Each lesson begins with a short video that's focused on the specific part of the Supademo that you're studying. These videos are practical by design. At under 10 minutes each, they cover real use cases, common pitfalls, best practices, and some maybe trade-offs, explaining not just how something works, but when and why it should be used. Throughout the lessons, we'll add in tips, nuances, and recommendations, the kinds of details that help you create better demos from day one, not just technically correct ones. Each lesson also has links to relevant Supademos, so specific settings and workflows can be explored at your own pace. The idea here is simple. You can move quickly for a high-level understanding, or you can slow down and follow along hands-on in your own Supademo account, whichever works best for you. By the end of this academy, you should feel confident creating different types of demos, choosing the right approach for each use case, and also building demos that look polished, that perform well, and that scale as your needs grow. So let's dive in.